Hello everyone! Welcome to Miss Corina's Reading Summertime Books. Today's story is called Splat the Cat Takes the Cake. It is based on creation of Rob Scotton. Splat the cat sat watching Super Cat on TV. It was his favorite show. This time, brave Super Cat was saving his tiny town from an awful earthquake. Splat said, "I want to be a brave hero too. Eek, look out, a snake. Seymour, I'll save you." So Splat saved Seymour from a sneaky snake, but he forgot to be aware of his mango milkshake. Splat. "That's that," explained Dad. "No more Super Cat, no more TV." "No more TV?" Splat groaned. "No more TV," said his mom. "Why not take a bike ride to the lake?" "Yes, I could use a break," said Splat. Splat took off on his bike. Riding helped him shake his mango milkshake mistake. On his way to the lake, Splat saw a big sign. A clever thought crossed his mind. He could bake a TV-winning cake. Splat never made it to the lake. Instead, he sped home to bake his cake. He opened Mom's cake book and looked and flipped, but no cake in that book had the tippy-top look of a super first prize cake. So Splat said, "I'll bake my own super duper cake, one that nobody else can make." Splat said, "Let's see, I'll need a large pan or two or maybe 3. Splat put in all the things he needed to bake a super duper cake. Splat said to Seymour, "More cake flour makes more cake power." Then he added one more thing. The cake was now ready to bake, but that last thing Splat added was a big mistake. Splat! There was no more cake and there was a big mess. Splat was too tired to bake another cake. He went to bed thinking, "How will I win the TV? What would Super Cat do?" Then Splat dreamed of Super Cat. When Splat woke up, he knew what to do and how to bake his super duper cake. At the contest, Splat was ready. Spike was there with his cake. Kitten was there with her cake. Plank had baked a cake too. Spike's cake was whiter. Kitten's cake was prettier. Plank's cake was taller. Was Splat's cake super enough? The judges looked closely at every cake baked. They tasted the cakes. They talked together. Then one judge said, "Our top judge will now award the Super Cake Prize." Surprise! The top judge was really Super Cat. "Splat the cat takes the cake," said Super Cat. He takes the TV. Splat was very happy when he got home. He said, "Now it's time to watch Super Cat." "It's you who takes the cake, Super Cat," whispered Splat.